Hey friends, welcome to World Drum Club. I'm Kalani, your host and teacher, and I'm about to show you a very efficient way to tune your Rope-Djembe, and all you need is a little stick. So let's get started. World Drum Club. So first thing you're going to do is straddle the drum like this, and of course you can see the overhead view, so just join me in tuning the drum. So first thing you're going to do is loosen up any rope that's around the bottom, so you get the end of the rope in your hand. It's usually tied around the foot, so you can free that up. And you'll notice that it may or may not be like this, which this is a knot that's ready to pull. It's a diamond knot that's ready to pull. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull it because I want to show you a special slip knot that you can use. It makes it so much easier than using your hands to pull the rope. Don't pull the rope with your hands. Let me help you and show you this really cool slip knot. So what we're going to do is you're going to take the rope and you're going to fold it over and make a loop, right? Just a simple loop. Then you're going to fold the loop over onto itself. So I'm going to go like that, right? So let's do that again. So you just make a loop, fold the loop over onto itself. So you're bisecting the loop. Then you just take your stick, run it through, and cinch it down. Now you can put your thighs on the drum and just pull straight back and down. This'll hold really tight. Pull straight back and down, and you're gonna watch these two ropes flip. And that's it. Now you've pulled your knot. Now to take the stick out and get the rope back to its normal condition, all you do is slide the rope out and this whole thing just falls right out. How much easier could it be? So let me show you how to tune right from the beginning. So what I like to do is you're gonna find the next two unflipped verticals. That's these two, right? These two are flipped. Here's our rope coming out. And your drum might be going the other direction. It doesn't matter which direction. You're just gonna find the next two free verticals. I like to take the rope and find the middle of it. So find about the middle point from where it's coming out from the drum to the end. And then you're gonna run that underneath those next two vertical ropes and go to the top. Don't try to go down onto the bowl because it's very tight down here. So go to the top where there's more space, pull it through. Pull the rope through, and then this is a critical step. So we're gonna pull it down and pretty snug. So make sure it's moving down. If you don't do that, your knots can start to work their way up and they're gonna get bigger and bigger, and we don't want that. All right, so now that you've got that, now we're gonna go back through the middle in the opposite direction. So grab the middle of your rope again, slide it under. So we're going back through the middle of the ropes we just went under. Now, you can cinch that up a little bit, snug it up. Now we're ready to pull it. See, it's that simple. If you can tie your shoe, you can tune a djembe. So let's go through our procedure. We're gonna make a loop. We're gonna fold the loop over onto itself, onto the rope, and then we're gonna slide the stick through, pull that, and now we're ready to pull. Let's pull it. And there we go. Let's do it one more time. If you have trouble sliding the rope through the top of your drum underneath the ropes near the rim, you can run your stick underneath there and that'll make more room and you can easily get your rope through there as long as you can grab it with your giant man fingers. Come on. And then run that down. Now what do? We go back through the middle, that's right. We're gonna go back this way. Now, sometimes I like to do this real quick like this. I kind of do a move like this. Like just, I don't even know how to do that. But that's our loop, and fold it over and go through. All right, one more time. You gotta keep checking the pitch of your drum while you do this. Make sure it's not getting too tight. And then legs on the drum, pull back and down. Now, when you're ready, when you're finished, you can run the rope under, let's say just run it under one more or two, let's go two more. Run it under the two ropes that you would be pulling if you were gonna pull one more, but you're not gonna pull it. You're just gonna run it under there and kind of batten that down so this rope doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't, and this knot stays in. Then you just tie the excess rope around the foot of your drum and you're ready to play. If you like that, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and enjoy all the other hundreds of videos we have here at the World Drum Club YouTube channel. If you want to invest in your own education and take it to the next level, join us at patreon.com. You'll get access to me, also other videos, and a bunch of downloads that you can't get here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being a World Drum Club supporter.